RNLI free prize draw. We're now about to have that draw. Here, live on air in the commentary, the winning ticket has been pulled out. And it is Peter Joyce of Warlingham, Surrey. Peter Joyce of Warlingham, Surrey. The trailer last year. We've proven that it can be done. But I think this short, 35-foot long B17Gs that were built by Boeing, 2,300 built by Douglas and 2,250 built by Biggin. Sally B is actually a Biggin-built aircraft and is believed to be the last flying example built by this factory. Operational configuration. Meet again for television. Most memorably perhaps on the silver screen, starring in the eponymous Memphis Belle. Power modules are full of damage. As a result, the 8th Air Force campaign suffered terrible casualties.
A lot of civilian casualties.
Yes, it was on August the 30th, and it was the end was pretty close. And he thought the hangar looks so obvious, it wanted to put some charges under that hangar.